Next, on This Week in Agribusiness, it's Max's Tractor Shed, spotlighting another great American farm tractor.
You know, it isn't unusual for a 58-year-old tractor to have been owned by 4 different owners. What is a little bit unique, though, about the tractor this week is the fact it was purchased by 4 people in the same family. I'll show you the tractor on Max's Tractor Shed, brought to you by McCormick Ag Series Tractors. You can see some of the great McCormick lineup at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville next month. I'll be there on Thursday of the show during the noon hour with Rodney Miller of McCormick. We hope you'll come by there and join us. Well, let's take a look at a Farmall Super M in Indiana that was owned by the Walker family, several different members of the Walker family. Richard Walker told me that his grandfather bought this tractor new in '52. 2 years later, Richard's uncle bought that tractor, and then 7 years later, Richard's dad bought it. Richard himself purchased it then in 1970. Said he paid his dad $500 for that tractor. He spent even more, of course, since then with the restoration. You can see a tractor radio there on the right fender. There's a round barn, I believe, in the background there. This picture taken not too far east of Indianapolis, Indiana, 30 miles or so, Charlottesville, Indiana. A 1952 Super M owned by Richard Walker. We've spent some of these cold winter nights when it's been so snowy sitting there in the recliner looking at the show book from last year's Half Century of Progress show. It's a great book just loaded with photographs of that colossal event. Why, you can even see pictures of Orion Samuelson in action there at the show. You may want to get one of these books. There are a lot of old corn pickers pictured there. In fact, there were 103 pickers at that show. If you'd like to order one of the books, it's $25 per copy. You can write to Half Century Show Book, Box 76, Penfield, Illinois, 61862.